What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Natalia, also known as Chef Rudakova, and today we'll be making what I've promised you in one of my previous videos, which you can check out here. We're going to be making savory meringues. The ingredient that's going to make our meringue savory is Isomalt. As you might know, Isomalt is only as half as sugar and is known among chefs as the savory sugar. It has the same properties, but not as sweet. And I'm also going to flavor our meringues with dehydrated tzatziki or Raita. I've already prepared my tzatziki powder, so I'm not going to show you now how to make it. It takes ages, but it's pretty simple. First, you make your own tzatziki, and if you don't know how to make it, I'm going to write the recipe down below. And then you spread it on a silicone baking mat and dehydrate it in your oven at 50 degrees Celsius for about 10 hours. And then you just break it down to powder. As easy as that. So without further ado, let's start making our meringues using a French meringue technique. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to make a vegan version. Right now our egg whites mixture reached soft peaks, and I've stopped it for now just to talk to you and explain what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna continue whipping it on high speed and start adding powdered Isomalt slowly. You will see what I mean. Right now our meringue base had already reached the firm peaks, but as you can see, the Isomalt granules, they did not incorporate fully, so I'm going to continue whipping it until the Isomalt is fully incorporated. Now I'm going to add my dehydrated tzatziki powder and fold it in with a spatula and right away transfer to the piping bag. And now we're gonna bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour. Then we're gonna switch off the oven and let them sit inside for another 1 hour or 2 hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to quickly make the vegan version of our savory meringues. So here we go. Our vegan meringues are almost ready. And now I'm going to do with them exactly the same that what I did with egg meringues. I'm going to incorporate with a spatula my tzatziki powder, put it in a piping bag, pipe, and off to the oven it goes. So it's been now about 1 hour of baking our meringues in the oven and about 1 more hour of resting them inside the oven as well. Or in my case, I've rested them overnight. And we have here our egg meringues, the classical version, and we have our aquafaba vegan meringues, which to be honest, they turned out a little bit better looking than the egg ones.
As you can see here, the egg meringues, they kept the shape much better than the aquafaba vegan meringues. But vegan ones, they are much smoother than the egg ones, and this is totally my fault. When I was whisking my egg meringues, I definitely over whisked them, so you should not repeat my mistakes when you do it yourself. And now I'm going to taste both of them and see which one tastes better and if they're savory indeed. Okay, first let's try the egg meringue. It tastes amazing. Although it doesn't look so nice, but it tastes really good. It's crispy on the outside and very soft inside, just like the real meringues should be. And it's not as sweet as the classical meringues, but it has a little bit of sweetness to it, and also has some acidity. I think it comes from the tzatziki powder. I would add, though, next time more of the powder to have more tzatziki flavor to it. Now let's try the vegan one. Okay, this one I'm most excited about. Honestly, it's so good. I think it's better than the egg one. So soft and tender inside, and so crispy outside. I think I would eat all of them. The same level of acidity, but somehow a little bit more softer inside, more tender, which I personally prefer. And the same as with the egg meringues, I would add more tzatziki powder to this one as well, just to have more of the savory flavor. And here comes my takeout from this cooking experiment. First, definitely don't over-mix your meringue base like I did with the egg meringues. You don't want that. You want more smoother results than the ones that I have here. Second, next time I'm going to do this recipe, I'm going to try to powder my Isomalt even further to more of an icing sugar consistency, so it incorporates in the base way better, and again, you have much smoother results. And third, add more tzatziki powder or the flavoring of your choice. And another one, the fourth, or an extra tip, if you're going to go ahead with the tzatziki powder and you want to finish this dish, I would also add a little bit of olive oil powder using tapioca maltodextrin, as we did in one of my previous videos, which you can check out here. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already, and I'll see you in the next video.